Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Rhino Folding Survival Shovel. This superb hiking shovel is accompanied by the durable Rhino Foldable Shovel. Its durable design features carbon steel that is made to be rust-free. The Rhino Folding Shovel comes with an extremely light appearance, which makes it a durable multi-tool that is able to open fires, bottle opener, e-saw, whistle for fish, and many other. The shovel can extend at least 31 inches. The handles are adjustable to adjust to your height, without having to bend too much. It can be folded to a small 7 inches in length, which makes it easy to carry in your bag. It comes with a strong pickaxe which can aid you in breaking down any hard surface and shoveling. The head of the shovel can be turned 90 degrees so that it can be used as a hoe, too. Number 2 in this best camping shovel list is SOG Entrenching Tool. The multi-use shovel folds to just barely larger than the palm of your hand. When folded, it occupies approximately the same amount of space as the paper plates. A must-have tool that's simple to carry and will not take up much space in your backpack or in your camp kit. A lightweight, foldable outdoors, hunter, and military shovels are versatile enough to complete the task. E-tool includes an edge for wood saws to cut small trees and branches to create fires or kindling. Highly durable, it can take on the numerous tasks the shovel is designed to tackle in harsh conditions. Dig into dirt, sand, and snow with the blade of tempered steel. Its triangular-shaped handle is durable and fits well in the hand to ensure optimal performance when trenching, digging, cutting, or cutting. Hand shovel can be collapsed into an outdoor shovel that can be used as an emergency shovel, or hiking shovel. The spade's blade rotates and can be adjusted to function as a hoe or a pick. The ultimate camping tool for digging fire pits, dispose of waste, or dig trench drainage lines. E-tools are made to lift large loads and can take in kicking to do it. SOG utilizes top quality steel and a durable construction to ensure that your tool is as lightweight and efficient as is possible. For details, let's watch more.
I'm Arlie Ermy. When I was a kid, my granddad gave me my very first knife. I used it every day on the farm. Having that knife taught me lessons about the value of good equipment. And I learned it over and over in the military as well. Today my philosophy is simple. Use the best that you can, period. It'll pay for itself many times over. And SOG feels the same way as I do about it. It's reflected in the performance of every knife and tool that they make. I chalk it up to good old-fashioned pride. Now those are some of the reasons why I use SOG, and I have for a lot of years. Now since 1986, special ops, law enforcement, tradesmen, and outdoor enthusiasts have relied on SOG to produce the toughest and most reliable gear in the industry. So, whether I'm in the boonies hunting, in the field with the troops, or at home in my own garage, it's just nice to know that I can depend on SOG.
Our third choice is Dartmoor Mini Folding Shovel. Its Dartmoor Mini Folding Shovel makes excellent supplement to your camping equipment. Its ergonomic design guarantees that it can be used on the most difficult surfaces effortlessly. Carbon steel can be described as a high grade of material that has been heated to ensure it can withstand the heat generated by the campfire without difficulty. Mini folding also offers the ability to resist rust and won't be damaged when digging. This durable tool is ideal to use to dig, shovel cutting, sawing and expanding. The compact and flexible design that is displayed with Dartmoor shovel is a great choice for cutting, sawing and digging. Dartmoor shovel folds down to the width of 11.8 inches and a 4.7 inches wide shovel head that could increase the amount dirt that you can get through. The shovel is employed for beaches shoveling or trowels to camp and also to dig off-road necessities. Its cutting edge is strong and features a durable design that can dig into the soil that is sand-filled that is found in backyards, gardens, farmlands, backyards, and similar places. Fourth pick in this best camping shovel list is Harvett Folding Survival Shovel. The tool that is used to make an entrenchment comes with a variety of functions, including digging, trenching, hoeing, cutting, pickaxe and saw, among others. By using the serrated edge of the shovel, you can cut through anything that is blocking your path, including tough roots, dirt-packed, hard ice, and so on. This is a great tool for anyone who loves off-roading. It is ideal for everyday use. Shovel is also useful as a garden shovel, trench shovel, and snow shovel. It is extremely durable for a miniature shovel. Pack it into the small case for shovels and put it in your backpack or belt. This shovel measures 22.8 inches in length at its longest, however when folded, the shovel is 9.4 and 5.5 inches. It is very easy to use and transport wherever your next work or trip will take you. The ergonomic design and anti-slip handle that has a matte black paint makes the shovel extremely comfortable to use. Military Tactical Shovel. Our manufacturing facility is a reliable source for military tools. Our product designers familiar with the characteristics of military tool and is skilled in the production of military-grade tools. Our fifth and last choice is Banor's Survival Shovel. Great to have when camping or off-roading. Compact and collapsible to easily store in your truck, SUV, or any vehicle. All in one shovel, shovel board, hexagonal wrench, saw, window breaker, multi-tools, and more. With compact folding design, this shovel folds up into a high-quality and super compact tactical waste pack that fits on your belt. Add extension handles to make it 38.97 inches long. This tactical shovel is essential for digging out a deep pit, sanitation holes, or digging your car out if it gets stuck in the snow. Unlike other handles that you have to wrap with additional grippy tape, these handles are designed using non-slip ergonomics, so you always have a strong grip. The thickened shovel head is made of 3CR13 stainless steel, with super hardness, strong and not easy to corrode. You can use this folding shovel for anything like digging snow, sand, dirt, mud and more. Including shovel, axe, extension handles, hoe, saw, bottle opener, whistle, ice piton and compass. Perfect for digging, chopping, sawing, picking, hammering, and even bottle opening. The handle thickness is 7 mm, and made of high carbon steel. It has high strength and wear resistance, which can prevent the surface from rusting, enough to withstand the harshest conditions.